Okay, right. So I will run this level coaching session. So David Long will be back on 22nd October, which is next Tuesday. So next Monday will be my last seminar, live trading session on schedule. So okay, so if you want me to, keep doing more live trading session, you can send an email to the client service. Okay, right. What the market, the news, impact the market. I haven't received many emails regarding about the trades in last week. I only got the email from Tracy and Wine. And Tracy, are you still holding your I think it's a GBP CAD or? Okay, before I answer your question, I just want to talk about the trade I monitor in last 1 week. The currency pair is Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Right. Just have a look. The big picture first. Okay. Let's start. Have a look at the monthly. I just remove my all arrows here. Okay. It's a ranging market. When you see the ranging market or very clear trending market, it's very good to use the Fibonacci to predict potential your entry price and the target price. Okay. Okay. This is ranging. I just start from the low of the ranging to the high of the ranging. Okay. The price just stopped around 78.6% of the Fibonacci. Right. So okay. Now that's just back to weekly chart. Okay, I just want to add some weekly chart here. And weekly chart. I just add some W for weekly. Okay, let's back to the weekly chart. Just draw the trend line. Start from there. Okay, remember when you draw the trend line, just start from, just draw the line with muscle touches. Okay, I normally just draw the parallel to let me see the trend very, very clear. Okay, this is, okay, for sure, medium term, this is weekly. It's a phase one extension. Okay, when we see the phase one extension, never just go for short. Okay, otherwise, extension of the phase one means no much room to go to make the profit. And okay, let's go to the daily. Daily is a double bottom. Okay, it's a double bottom. You can say it's a lower low, but for me it's a double bottom. Why? Because can you see the price, closing price, always above the low, always above the previous low. So it was on Monday. Okay, 23rd of September, it was on Monday. So open low and close above the previous high. So normally we call this just double bottom. And we can see, okay, let's go to the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, let's go to Sorry, RSI. RSI, we normally set as 6. 6. Okay. So we can see the divergence. We can see the divergence here. And personally, I normally use the RSI. MACD. MACD, you can see the very, very strong divergence here. When you see the strong divergence, okay, that's give you the early warning. The trend will be changed very soon. But the question is when. But I mean, if you still hold it, your short position, you should tight your stop loss. Okay, then we need to draw the trend line. Clearly, this is a phase 1. So we just draw the first trend line. First trend line start from the top. Get muscle touches. Just let me do the extension around here. You can see the first touch, second touch, third touch, and the fourth touch. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, 5 touches. 5 touches downtrend been broken out. Okay, been broken out. Broken out. I just give you the very good example. Okay, how strong, when the trend, change. Okay, very good example is a JPY, Japanese, dollar yen. Okay, let's go to weekly. Start on the monthly, just draw the trend line. Okay, phase 1 extension, that's the monthly. Okay, we just need to draw the trend line. Let's see. Okay, because every time when you trade, you need to see where is the support or resistance on your way. Okay, let's back to weekly. Weekly, look at the pattern. It's very, very similar like Aussie Kiwi. Big phase 1. See that? Draw the trend line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is close enough. Okay. Phase 1 downtrend from 2007 to 2012. That's about 5 years. Okay, 5 years downtrend. Look at the low. Okay, can you see can you see the cyclicity is a lower low? Let's have look. Have look at the RSI first. Okay, you can see no much. But if you can add MACD, you can see the very, very strong divergence been about 3 years. Okay, the divergence start from 2008 to 2012. That's for 4 years. What does it mean? Okay, means when you see the very strong divergence, if the trend changed, if the price break out the downtrend you should go up strongly. You should go up very, very strong. Okay, so this is just the pattern. Looks like very similar like Aussie Kiwi. Okay, this is weekly. Let's go to the daily. Right. Okay, after breakout, the trend should be changed from downtrend to the uptrend. Okay, but how can we trade on the uptrend? We need to confirm. I have to say many times, you need to confirm the first higher low. Because when we draw the trend line, we draw the line with muscle touches on the bottom, not on the top. Okay, you can draw the parallel on the top, but you need to draw the first line to touch the bottom. Right. So after breakout, we can see the price just make higher high. Higher low. Okay. Lowest, first higher low, second higher low, third higher low. Okay. So you can just like follow me, just draw the trend line like this. So my potential target, first target, no first target, second target. So where's my first target? Okay, you'll need to draw another line. Okay, just let me show you here. Just let me remove some arrows here. You need to draw another line start from there and touch the top there. Right. I got a 1, 2, 3 touches a moment. Okay. So my first target will be maybe here. Right? Maybe here. My second target should be what? The previous high. This is the previous high. Third target, the channel. Okay, just like this. Can you see that? Just like the channel. Okay, so if you enter here, when you see the pattern is called the what? Ring low. Your first target should be the previous high there. Okay, if you enter here, your target should be the second high here. So your third target, okay, third round, technically should touch here, and the final target there. But this is a trade on the daily. But if you just look at the, the weekly, if you look at the weekly, the first, the target should be what? The previous high. Where is the previous high? I just draw the horizontal here. So your target should be there. Maybe it looks like the ranging. Okay, the price just move between these two lines, these two ranging channel. Okay, anyone take this trade before? I mentioned this one, I think about a week ago. My entry price was there. Okay, my entry price was there. Just show me the price. My entry price along about 15th. Entry price 1.1371. Okay. 1.1371. Yeah, roughly about here. So I still hold it. So my stop loss just 10 pips below this reversal, that green one. Okay. All right. So I got a question from Colin. Where would you set stop loss? Okay, for this trade. Okay, always below the reversal. Okay, but I normally, because, Aussie Kiwi, the spread is quite big. Just let me check the spread now. Spread Aussie Kiwi. You see that? More than 2 pips. 3 pips. So 3 pips plus 2. Okay. 2 equal 8. So my stop loss just about 10 pips. So my stop loss is a 1.1290. Okay, 1.12. All right, so my stop is 1.1290, which I just show you on the e-signal. Where's my cursor window? Yeah, cursor window here. Okay, so the low was 1.1300. So take 10 pips off, should be 1.1290. Yes, correct. That's my stop loss. I just gave a little bit more room, you know. I don't want to set up too tight. Okay. And just get a question. I took this trade and it was just break even. Okay, Elaine took this trade. You just break even. Yeah, just hold. And Harold took this trade yesterday on 4 hours chart. That's good. Right. Okay. So technically, this is just the pattern I'm looking for on the market. Okay, on the market, you can't see this pattern all the time, but when you see the pattern like this, you just need to, pay fully attention for this one. Okay, and some people, they want to trade, they want to hold for long. Okay, you say, I don't want 40, 50, or 60 pips. I want to just the open position and hold for 1 or 2 weeks. Of course you can, but you need to look at the weekly chart if you want to hold for long. But this one, the pattern looks like maybe just back to MACD. Have a look at the MACD. Okay, MACD looks like quite positive. Okay, I just can say it's a positive because you can see the blue cross of red and also the 2 bottom. Can you see slightly just that's the high low. Okay, so yep, and let's back to the daily. Right, that's the daily. Right, okay, the one is on the line and he asked me, okay, I just answer his questions. Just let's go back to the chart he drew. Okay, so I just read his that's his email. Thank you so much for the teaching. I really like your webinar attached to setup and hope you could talk about them on Friday's webinar. One question, when you always say there are 3 important questions, uptrend or downtrend. Yes. Yeah, you need to answer okay, it's on the daily chart because we only trade on the daily chart. But you need to practice to draw the trend line on monthly and weekly. And also, the reason is I ask you to practice to draw the trend on the longer time frame because you must see the long term or medium term, the resistance or support. If you don't draw it, you don't know. Or medium trend. Okay, what's the short term trend? Okay, yep. Just on the daily, you must draw the trend line on the daily. This is okay. This is CAD. I think this is a CAD, right? Yeah, this is a CAD. Okay, let's back to the CAD. Okay, Monthly chart. Hello, the cat. Okay, let's draw on the weekly chart. This is a horizontal. Okay, trend on the weekly trend is still on the uptrending. Okay, on the uptrending, and okay, let's back to daily. We can draw some parallel here. Right. Just draw the line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Okay, so this trend line is working. So I will take these, the parallel. Okay. Horizontal. Just like, okay. Maybe we can just use some Fibonacci from the phase 1 to phase 2. Okay. Uptrend. When we draw the Fibonacci, we should start, in the beginning of the phase 1 to the phase 1 in the end of phase 1. So let's just draw the Fibonacci to predict potential, the pullback price. From there, bottom there. Now back to the daily. Okay. I can't see much, the price. Maybe I just something wrong. Just okay, but you can see the pullback like this. Okay, pullback from the top to the bottom. Okay, that's the 61.8. Okay, short term. I don't really like the draw the short term Fibonacci, but we can just like this from this low to this high. Okay, so the price just the past 50% retracement, but I haven't seen any. I haven't seen any reversal bar. Okay, reversal bar. So we just we need to wait. We need to wait to see maybe potentially the price will drop down to this uptrend line. Okay, let's have a look at the RSI or MACD. Okay, MACD still quite negative. Okay, let's go to the RSI. RSI, no, I haven't seen any. RSI, doesn't tell me anything. So I just, okay, just we must wait to see. Okay, because the price was dropped. US dollar was down sharply last night. Okay. And and Warren just sent me another chart. I just want to have a look at. Okay, the chart, this is a GBP, Euro GBP. What's the time frame about this one? Okay, let's go back to this very massive chart. Okay, let's back to the Euro GBP. Actually, I got a position, Euro GBP. I got a short position. I got a short. Why? Maybe I can just give you some extra, information. Okay. This is a Euro GBP. All right. So look at that. It's a ranging. It's a ranging. It's a ranging. I just draw a horizontal. Okay, horizontal. This is the horizontal. I just remove this. Just remove down. Okay, horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay, this is the previous low. This is the previous low. The price just pull back there. Okay, just pull back when the price touch that resistance. And also, I just want to teach you another pattern. Just not many people use it. Only few technical analyzer use it. But I can teach you how to use it. Can you see the pattern like this? Okay, we call the pattern is a trumped. T-R-U-M-P-T, trumped. Okay, when you see the trump pattern like this, okay, technically the price will move between these two lines. That's technically. Okay, so that's why I short. I think yesterday quite high. It was the 84.76 Euro GBP, which around 84.70, roughly here. I short yesterday. Why? Because I didn't chasing the price. Can you see even the price made the lower low? I just impatient. Okay, impatient. I always say wait for the pullback. Okay, if you trust yourself, wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback, and just get best entry enterprise. Yesterday in the morning, I think yesterday one short, my account was the negative, maybe lost about 10 pips or something, but I still hold it. This morning I say, okay, exactly the trend, just like the Trump pattern, just Trump pattern like this. And if you can, if you want to search the internet, you can just search Trump pattern. Okay, Trump pattern. Right. So okay, Warren sent me the email. I don't quite understand the chart he drew. Right. Okay. So we can just draw. Before I draw the channel, downtrend channel like this. Downtrend channel like this, broken out. This is perfect. Well, it was a downtrend channel, and just remove the trump. Okay, just maybe add the MACD. Okay, MACD. Can you see the? Okay, it was the lower low. It was the lower low here, right? It was the lower low here, and it's a high low on the MACD. Maybe I just have looked the RSI. Maybe we can see the. Okay, it's a divergence as well. Can you see the low? It was a divergence. So I just remove this. So this one should be the support. Okay, so if we don't look at the Trump pattern, okay, this is a support there, and if you like because the price broken the downtrend, downtrend channel. So, and also to make the higher high. Can you see the higher high there? But it's a Trump pattern. So, if you like, we can use the Fibonacci from this low to this high. Okay, the price just pulled back to, around 38.2. Where's the support? Okay, support should be here, around there. Just around that price level. Okay, I don't normally just draw the horizontal from the top, highest. When I draw the horizontal trend line like this, I can get multiple touches. Can you see the high? And yep, so I can get 1, 2, 3, 4 touches there. If I just draw the trend line, if I touch the top, I only got 1 touch or 2 touch. But if I just draw here, I can get about 4 touches. So when I draw the trend line, always like that. Okay, MACD is looks okay. Yep, but momentum is a little bit down. Okay, momentum a little bit down. But when I trade this, so I just stick on my own the trading strategy. Okay, any question? Okay, so where would you put the Fibonacci on the chart? Okay, Colin asked me. Okay, the Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci is very good, not by my understanding, right? My Fibonacci is very, very useful, but by my understanding, okay, the ranging very easy to draw the Fibonacci, but the trending, okay, you must identify where is the phase 1 start and where is the phase 1 finish, not just simply start from the high to the low. Okay, so if I cannot see clear trend, I don't use the Fibonacci. Okay, for example, this one. This is a downtrend. This is downtrend. Okay, let's practice draw the trend line. Okay, phase 1. Okay, phase 1 start. Phase 2, phase 1 finish. That's a downtrend. So okay, so let's draw the Fibonacci from the high to the low to see that what's the percentage pullback. Okay, that's the 38.2. Just draw again. Okay, that's the 38.2. It's working for me. Just you need to identify. If you can, if you're struggling to identify the trend, just don't use the Fibonacci. You think it's a perfect, but may be correct. I don't know, but maybe wrong. Okay, so that's I just downtrend, wait for the pullback, and also the close. And can you see the price close just on the downtrend? Okay, that's your checklist. Okay, you need to tick the checklist on your mind. Okay, downtrend, the price closer. Okay, when you go for short, you need to confirm the price close enough to the resistance. Okay, when you go for long, you need to confirm the price close enough to the support. And okay, I call this is intersection. The Fibonacci 38.2, and also just touch the downtrend of touch the line of the downtrend, top line. So yeah, so that's why how do I normally use the Fibonacci? So you can just give me the 50, correct. That's a 50. And one I'd like to talk about maybe Aussie CAD, AUD, CAD. Okay, just let me. Okay, Aussie CAD. That's the weekly. Let's go to the monthly. What about the trend? Maybe just draw here, like this. Same time, made a parallel. Just try it. Maybe it's working. Okay. Okay. Just draw the Fibonacci from maybe this low to the high, or you can just draw. Okay, just back to the weekly. Just back to, okay, clearly this is a resistance here. I just want you to pay attention on this one. So this is, okay, roughly about here. Okay. So that's the resistance. Okay, can you see the horizontal? That's, I just made the full screen. Okay. That one close enough. Okay. Back to the daily. Okay, use the Fibonacci from the top to the low. Right, can you see I just remove the horizontal? Okay, can you see the price close enough to the 50 MA? Right, you need to pay attention on this one. Okay, back to the daily. So when you look at the chart like this, you should be careful. This is maybe the uptrend phase 2, trade on the phase 2, but you need more confirmation. Okay, what's the confirmation? You must see the very strong divergence. Okay, so I just remove. Okay, maybe just keep the Fibonacci here. Trend line. Okay, uptrending. Okay, 3 questions you should ask yourself. Okay, uptrending, downtrending. This is a daily. Okay, it's uptrending. Phase 1, phase 2, still phase 1. Okay, still phase 1. We haven't seen any evidence to show me the phase 2 start. Okay, let's have a look the RSI. Okay. Yeah, still high. Oh, sorry. Just let me change to setting to 6 days. Okay. Maybe you can see the divergence. Yes, a little bit divergence here. Okay, divergence here. And let's add MACD. Okay, MACD is still quite bullish, right? Still quite bullish. So I just remove the indicator here. Price action, always leading all indicators. Okay. Okay, the price close to 50% retracement. But you should be careful. Always, before the price big pullback, you always can see the false break. Okay, this is a resistance. As I said many times before, valley breakout. Okay, if breakout, you need to confirm the price above the support more than 2 days. Okay, more than 2 days. Okay, wait for the pullback. If break the previous high, go for long, but you need to confirm with the RSI or MACD. No any strong divergence. Or okay, if you short, if you confirm with the divergence on whatever the RSI or MACD, remember you need to confirm with a double bottom, maybe false breakout. Okay, pull back, wait for another try. Wait for the retest the new high. Okay, it failed. Okay, short term the trend will be changed like this. You can just trade. You can just trade, the phase 2 like this, but you need to confirm. Okay, lower high. Just remember. Okay, when we short, we must short on the downtrend. Okay, on the downtrend. Doesn't matter the time frame or long term or the short term, you need to confirm the lower high. So you can just, this is the pattern you can trade on the phase 2. You need to have more confirmation. Okay, more confirmation. But the price action, okay, just focus on the strong ring high, strong high test bar. So yeah, the high test bar always happen. False breakout always happen on the top. Okay, always happen on the top. And also another one is Kiwi cat is 0. Okay, this is a very good example for the false break. Look at that. Easily, when you look at the chart, easily just draw the trend line. Okay, just draw the trend line. Okay, can you see this is a false breakout? Better to see the second, wait for the pullback and bounce back again to confirm the lower high. Then you can just draw the pattern. Potentially the trend will be changed to the downtrend. But it's not available on your XC Trader. So this currency pair is not available on your XC Trader. I just give you the example how to trade on the resistance. Okay, just let me try to draw some trend line there. Okay, the trend line like this. I'm looking for the pattern like this. Okay, pull back, retest that intersection. Okay, uptrend, horizontal. If down, the trend will be changed like this. Okay. So this one. Okay, let's have a look at the MACD or RSI first. Okay, that's the 14th. I need to. Okay, just change to 6 days. 6 days. Oh, sorry. 6 days. Set as default. Okay. Right. Okay. What can you see? Divergence. But sometimes divergence is not good enough when you see the divergence just short on the resistance. Once again, you need to confirm the lower high. Okay, if you're conservative. If you're aggressive, you can, just like, how to trade like this. You can trade if the price break the previous low, but remember, you haven't seen any confirmation to go for short. What's the confirmation? Lower high. But remember, don't be greedy. Just, take profit, maybe 20 pips or 30 pips. Just maybe you need to have very, very tight stop loss. Okay, very tight stop loss. Because you haven't seen any confirmation to go for short. Maybe you just short here. Short here. But, just let me work out the target price. Okay, target price, you got a 2 target price. Okay, the first low here. Sorry, the previous high there. Okay, your first target may be, just let me use the ruler. Okay, show here. See, just maybe about 20 pips. So next support should be about maybe 45 pips. But you risk more than, I think, roughly 100 pips or something. Yeah, 90. Okay, so roughly about, because your stop loss, 5 or 10 pips above the high, your entry price is the 5 pips below. So the bar size, you need to add 15 pips extra. So, okay, look, that is 87.74. Okay, the bar size is about 90 plus 15 equal 105. So you made 20 pips, but, you risk, 105 pips. So when you, if aggressive, you need to, you need to remember you got a very high risk and reward ratio. Okay, but I just want to talk about the pattern, the potential trade you need to you need to forecast in next few days. Okay, thank you, Colin. And so maybe we got another 15 minutes. I just quickly, scan the market. Okay, the euro. Let's back to maybe weekly. Okay, the weekly chart. Maybe go to the monthly chart. Right. Remember, you need to draw this line. You need to draw the horizontal here. Okay, resistance and support. Okay, like this. Okay, that's the triangle here. Okay, that's the, just let me work out here. Right, roughly over here. So easily, yeah, we can just draw the Fibonacci from this high to this low. It's a very, very easy. From the top. Okay, that's the intersection. Fibonacci is 61.6 and or the downtrend. So still got potentially the the euro got some room to go. So this is a monthly chart. Today is 18th. Still got maybe 100. Just go to the flat there. Maybe I got maybe around 180 pips to go. Okay, breakout. Okay, let's see how to trade breakout. Oversized bar. Don't worry about the oversized bar. Don't try to chase in the price. Okay, draw the trend line. Maybe you can just draw the trend line, get touches here, but just keep my horizontal. Back to the weekly. So where's my Fibonacci? Maybe I have removed it already. Just bring the Fibonacci again. Right. Okay. That's the weekly. Back to the daily. Okay. So when the price reach about that level, that's the the maybe we call the distribution zone. Okay. You need to keep eyes on the the big reversal. Okay. Fibonacci. Downtrend, short-term channel potential. This is a daily. Maybe the phase one extension. Okay, that's the the box you need to take on your mind. Okay, take out on your mind. But if you didn't draw this line, when you see the price pull back, you always ask the question, you always ask the people why it drop. Okay, I just remove this. I just remove this. I just remove this. If the price go up there and big drop, you will ask, oh, what's the news? What's the news on that day? No news. Why? Okay, technically the trend line stop the, stop the price. Okay, that's why how important is to draw the trend line. Always. I don't normally look at the news. I just don't trade in the first Friday of each month, or just I don't really want to keep the news on my mind. Okay, and GBP. Okay, right. Okay, Colin asked me. Okay, can you share current price action? Okay, JPY. Quickly have a look at JPY. Okay, chart. This is weekly. Okay, maybe just better to go to the daily. Better to go to the daily. This one is working for me. Okay, that's a support there. Even short term, you can just draw the trend line like this. Maybe you can see the price maybe just drop there. Let's see in next few days. Okay, if the price just drop this downtrend and bounce back, you can learn from this line. You can learn from this line. And okay, so the trend, maybe just let it get muscle touches. Okay, I have to look back to the picture like this. Okay, what's that? It's a triangle. Just removes. Just draw the trend line like this. Okay, and the price maybe just move between these two lines. That's a triangle. Okay, the triangle, the pattern. Okay, let's start with the pattern, the direction. Okay, so okay, the triangle. Finally, okay, if the price move on the top of the triangle, you must break the what? The downtrend or uptrend. Okay, just go, going up, going down. So, okay, technically, if price get into the triangle from bottom, okay, can you see the price get into the triangle from the bottom and move just between these two, two lines of the triangle? 80%, it may, just like this, it may break out that downtrend. Okay, if the price get into the triangle from top, technically it will break out the support. Okay, just keep the same direction. Just let me see an example. Okay, yeah, GBP. Okay, let's back to the GBP. Okay, this is the price move into triangle from top. Right, can you see clearly move from the top there? Okay, 80%, will break, keep the, the direction like this. Can you see the breakout like this? Yeah, this is a very good example. Okay. So, yeah, that's the dollar yen. Just let me. Okay, that's the week. Okay, weekly chart is now looking very good. All right, it's not looking very good. And if you like to back to the daily, all right, if you back to the daily, just okay, very, good to use the Fibonacci here. Triangle is very good to use the Fibonacci. From this top to this low, yeah, but not exactly touch, just about 61.8. 61.8. So when I see that, so I just want to wait for the pullback. How to trade Japanese yen. This is daily chart. Okay, I just want to wait for a few more days. Okay, have a look at the RSI, Fibonacci. RSI, tell me nothing. Just like to use, have a look at the MACD. Yeah, MACD is okay, but I just want to wait for maybe pullback around there. Still, can you see the low is a higher low, higher low? So I will keep, okay, you need to keep your eyes when the price close to the previous low. Okay, that's the previous low. That's the previous low. Okay, to see is a double bottom or, the high, or high there, or double bottom. So this is, you need to watch that. Swayze is I think is still the downtrend, right? Okay, probably the support roughly about the previous support was there. See, okay, on the weekly chart, can you see it's a downtrend? We haven't seen even touch the support here. Few touches there. But look, the MACD. I haven't seen any evidence on the MACD to show me the reversal. No, it's not. So just let me. It's a massive chart. Okay, passing. Go to the Kiwi. Kiwi, yes. Okay, just draw the trend line. Just draw the trend line. That's the weekly. Okay, that's the support here. That's the support here. Just maybe go to the Aussie. Aussie potentially maybe go to 97. Go to 97 here. But it was the resistance here. The resistance zone. We call the zone. It's oversized. But okay, if you want to trade Aussie, wait for the pullback. Must wait for the pullback. Okay, oversized but too big. Euro Swayze. Let's have a look at the daily. We talked about this one already. So these ones, okay, Euro Aussie. Horizontal. Okay, big divergence. Big divergence. Okay, I just want to wait for the pullback. Maybe short again. Okay, it made a lower low already. Broken out the support. Just wait for the pullback. This one. I showed this one before, but it has been stopped out yesterday. Okay, look at the top. Look at the top. Divergence here. Divergence here. So I'm looking for the reversal. It hasn't break that resistance. Okay, it hasn't break that resistance. I just wait for the reversal. Right. Maybe watch this one. Okay, the price close to the support. Wait for the ring high. Remember, when you go for short, always Always waiting for the the ring high. Ring high. Yep. Okay. It's at 11 o'clock, and also Okay. I hope you enjoy my this session, and just keep the eyes on the Aussie Kiwi. So I will talk to you 10 o'clock next Monday. Yep. Okay. Have a nice weekend. Okay. Bye bye, everyone.